Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to chat with AliExpress customer service phone number. Unfortunately, AliExpress doesn't have a public customer service phone number, so you cannot simply phone them. Instead, you have to use their in-app chat. So open AliExpress on your device and then go to your account at the bottom side of the screen. And here you should see Help Center button that looks like headphones icon. And here at the bottom you see red button, this is online service. And here write your question, then send it and wait for response. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.